Investing in stocks for beginners. Stocks are so much easier to invest today than they were just 5 or 10 years ago. Due to the popularity and technology of the internet, it is possible for almost anybody to be able to start investing in the stock market. So what does it mean when you buy a stock? It basically means that you're buying a piece or a percentage of a company. You're buying ownership. Why do you want to buy ownership? It allows you to invest to possibly make more income or profit. So if the company does good, you can sell your stock and make a profit. Unfortunately, there are risks investing in stocks. If the company does not do good, you could potentially lose your money. That brings me to the next thing I want to talk about, and that is risk tolerance. Risk tolerance is the degree of risk that an investor is willing to endure given the value of investment. Everybody's risk tolerance is different, so before you begin to invest, it is good to know what your risk tolerance is. So in order to get started in the buying stocks, you need to sign up with what they call a stock brokerage house. If you were starting out and you just had a little amount of money to start with, say $100, I would go with brokerage houses like Robinhood or Webull or Acorn. But if you have, say, $1,000 or more to invest, then go with more experienced broker houses like Charles Schwab, TD Ameritrade, or Fidelity. All of these brokerage houses have low or zero minimum to open up accounts, and they have low or no commissions fees. They are all pretty easy to sign up to. Just go to their website, fill out a few questions, and you can have an account opened up in literally just a few minutes. So you asked what to do next now that you have an account open. Well, you don't want to just start throwing darts at a board. You want to make smart decisions on what stocks you pick. That all starts with education and research. Take some time and learn as much as you can about the stock that you're about to purchase. We have the internet at our fingertips. There are 3 places I go mostly to look for stock information. My brokerage house account is one. MSN.com would be my second choice, and for my third choice would be yahoofinance.com. All 3 of these places are good sources for information. It will show you graphs and charts and give you any news about the company, good or bad, throughout the year. They will also show you P&Ls, which stands for profit and loss statements. I do highly recommend that you take your time and learn how to read a P&L statement. It definitely helps you to determine whether you're buying a stock of a good company that is profitable versus a company that is not so profitable. Down below, I add a couple links to brokerage houses to check out. Also, I have added a couple of links for a handful of books that will teach you a little more about stock strategies and how to read a P&L statement. Now there are a lot of different types of investment strategies out there, which you will need to decide which one will work for you. Some of the strategies I recommend for the beginners to look into would be dividend investing and mutual funds. I wish you well in your new adventure and your journey into the stock market. And remember, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe. Thank you.